Dames en heren, 'n oomblik van stilte vir die... Dames en heren, 'n oomblik van stilte vir die pragtigste ambassadrice vir Suid-Afrika in Papeti Koswetsi. Evita Besaidnout.
Baie dankie. Thank you so much. Dankie. Happy New Year to everybody here so close to the scene, hè? Geseënde nuwe jaar vir almal wat kyk. Kom ons kyk wie is hierso. Is daar enige belangrike mense soos Elizabeth Taylor met haar trokbestuurderman? Dewey. Are you having a lovely new year?
A lovely new year, thank you.
What is your name?
Marguerite.
Marguerite sit hier so met haar rug na die kamera wat dit behoort daar sê Marguerite. Wys vir die mense hier het ook 'n mooi gesiggie. Are you visitors to Cape Town?
Absolutely.
You are what they call a Transvaaler, which is the definition of someone who can't get a job in the Cape, né?
Yeah.
Is jy nie 'n Transvaaler nie? Nou ja, wie is nog hierso? Wie is nog hierso van jou maatjies? Is hulle nog? O, daar's iemand wat lyk soos Gerrit Viljoen, seker nie waar nie, né? Nou ja, my skat, wat gaan jy nou doen in die nuwe jaar? Is tyd dat ek vir jou interview.
Nou het jy my heeltemal onkant gevang. Ek dink ek gaan 'n man soek.
'n Man soek? Kom na my, ek het 'n hele sak mans daar so in Papeti Koswetsi, né? En Pik Botha is ook 'n man met geweldige charme. Maar
Ek stel belang.
ek is so bly dat jy vir my die kans gegee het, that you've given me the chance to talk with you all tonight. And all my friends here in Cape Town, and al die mense op Mnet wat kyk, all the people, and even those of you who don't even understand English or Afrikaans, the future is ours to enjoy. Dankie mense. Thank you, my dear.
Baie dankie.
I'm sure that was Peter Dirk Eise. What can I say? Well, as you can see, there's a lovely atmosphere here tonight at the V&A waterfront down in Cape Town. I believe we have something like 25,000 people here tonight. It's cooking. Okay, with that, I think it's nearly back to Randburg, but you are watching the Mnet Chinzano Spumante Countdown to 1992.
Just a second now, just a word for the Backroom Boys. This is the first time this television centre has ever been used for such a variety show. And though we're having a party, let's spare a quick thought for those who made it happen. And here they are.
Welcome and Happy New Year, everybody. This kind of show is very rare. A big yo to the Mnet Outside Broadcast crew, bringing you the pictures at the waterfront in Cape Town. To the Mnet Specials team, who made it all happen. To the crew in the studio, and the bad boys and girls here in the control room. It's 2:10, and we are live. And because of the pressures, not one of these poor souls with me have been able to even have a drink. But enough of us. Ashley, give them some music. Cue Ashley.
Okay, well, bearing in mind the guys in the back room, this one is just for you. It's Duran Duran with Wild Boys.
Well, boys will be boys, and it's now over to the boy in the Cape Town spot, Scott.
Yay!
Well, I believe the Wild Boys in Randburg still have hours of music and fun for the guys all over South Africa. But for Henrietta and I, it's almost time to say goodbye. But I think maybe I should start moving. In the meantime, if my cameraman can follow me, I'd like to thank the V&A Waterfront for letting Mnet stick our lenses and special links or magical links all over the waterfront. And then, of course, for Portnet for using Jetty One and all their tugs tonight. And then I think it's time for us to say goodbye. That's from the Mnet team. And let me open the OB van here so that you can actually see the guys. And Tana, I think maybe you should just go in there and see the director and all his assistants in there, people responsible for the whole number tonight. I hope you people can see it. So in the meantime, I think it's from the whole Mnet team. That's from me and from my co-presenter tonight. That's Henrietta Grevenberg, because we can't find her at the moment. She's somewhere at the waterfront. What can we say? So from us, myself, Henrietta Grevenberg, it is a happy 1992 to all our viewers in South Africa. And from us down here in Cape Town, it is goodbye and good night. Enjoy the rest of the Countdown 92.
Thanks to Scott, our own little mountain goat. Now please don't go away, because coming up, the world's very best pop videos.
Well, yes, we think we've done quite enough talking. We're going to stay on the air for several more hours with non-stop music and non-stop magic. So go away.
Ja, en ons het nog hoope van julle boodskap om te wys. Ons is besig om te wys, ons is besig om mal te raak. So as jy nog nie joune gestrip nie, hou aan dans en hou die skerm dop. Happy New Year! But for the moment, we're going to gear up the video jockeys and give you more music. Mnet is staying on the air, so keep us at your party. Now, before we go, I just want to add my thanks to Susanna Spumante and Tiziano for letting us have so much fun as our sponsors. From Renelle, from Tracy, and from all of us on the Mnet Specials team, good night and stay tuned because here comes our next song, something we hope you've indulged in with us in the past few hours. This is Black Box and Fantasy. Good night and Happy New Year!
This spectacular end to 1991 was brought to you by Mnet in association with Cinzano Tiziano. Remember the name, you won't forget the taste.
Countdown.